Imagine waking up one day and finding out that a machine can do your job faster, cheaper, and without taking a break. Sounds scary, right? But is AI really going to replace all human jobs? Let's find out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Artificial intelligence is growing faster than ever, and many people are asking the same question. Will AI take our jobs? Some experts say yes, while others believe AI will create new opportunities. So, what's the truth? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what AI can actually do. Today, AI can write articles, generate images, edit videos, answer customer questions, analyze data, and even help with programming. Because of this, some jobs are at higher risk than others. For example, basic customer support and routine administrative work can often be automated by AI systems. But here's the important part. AI is not replacing every job. Many professions require creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, leadership, and human connection. These are areas where humans still have a major advantage. Teachers inspire students. Doctors make complex decisions. Entrepreneurs build businesses. Creators come up with original ideas. These skills are difficult for AI to fully replace. In fact, history shows that new technology doesn't just eliminate jobs, it also creates new ones. The internet created millions of jobs that didn't exist before, and AI is likely to do the same. The real challenge is not AI itself. The challenge is adapting to a world where AI becomes a powerful tool. People who learn how to use AI effectively may have a huge advantage in the future job market. So, will AI replace human jobs? The answer is some jobs will change, some jobs may disappear, but many new opportunities will also emerge. The future will belong to those who learn, adapt, and work alongside AI instead of competing against it. What do you think? Will AI replace humans, or will it help us become more productive? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.